Is anybody else like me where you don't do particularly well with marking what you've planted where because either the marker rubs off or it gets bleached with the sun or you move things around, you forget? Well, I started planting out these trays and I did not mark them. But the good thing is that I put all the seed packets down in a pile, so all I have to do is flip it over and I'm in reverse order. So now I'm going to create a video log just so that I can come back and refer to this on what I planted where in this tray. Okay, so in the very first tray, starting from this top corner, and I will do something to mark which is the top corner, but I do know that this is going to be eggplant. This corner is tomatoes, and in between I have peppers. So it should be easy to tell which side is which, but we'll start here with the eggplant. We have Casper eggplant, Black Beauty eggplant, my favorite, Rosa Bianca eggplant. Next row, we have shishito peppers, a generic jalapeno pepper from Saved Seed, a generic bell pepper. This is a red pepper. Then next row over, Lute Shower peppers and Alma paprika peppers. Those are both making paprika making peppers. And emerald green, or emerald giant. Next over we have Coral Bell, Purple Beauty, and Sunbright bell peppers. Then we move on to tomatoes. And we have Super Snow White, Sun Gold, Gobstopper, Black Cherry, Blueberries, Purple Bumblebee. Now tray 2 I've marked with a feather, and we're going to start in that corner and go from top to bottom. Hartman's Yellow Gooseberries, Tigerella, this is Lemon King, Dora Pink, Sugar Pud, Brandywine. This is a pink Brandywine that I saved seeds from years ago. Amish Paste, Jersey Devil, the Giant Crimson Tomato, Gold Medal, love that one, Mortgage Lifter, Black Beauty, Get Stuffed. That's a really fun tomato. Want to make some tomato tacos. Berkeley Tie-Dye Pink, Paul Robeson, and then we've got the last row, Giant Belgium, Vintage Wine, and Solar Flare. Some really fun ones. Okay, I've got 6 weeks to get these garden beds ready.